Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this iPhone 13 Pro Max and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. It's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and then you're going to find here wallpaper. After click over wallpaper, you can see just now I have this wallpaper. If you want to add new wallpaper, just click here, choose a new wallpaper, and then you're going to see there is a bunch of wallpaper, some dynamic wallpaper. If you click here dynamic wallpaper, this is some dynamic wallpaper, or if you go here stills, this is some stills wallpaper, or if you want to choose live wallpaper, this is some live wallpaper by iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you decide to set them, just click here set, and it's going to be appear. Do you like to set this picture on your home screen, lock screen, or both? I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So you can see it's if I go back, let me go back completely and let me go in the home screen. You can see just now I had successfully changed my wallpaper in iPhone 13 Pro Max. You might have a favorite picture and you want to set them in your wallpaper. In order to do that, you need to again go in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, scroll down and you need to jump over wallpaper and click here choose a new wallpaper. In this section, you can see this is the tree which is preloaded by Apple. If you decide to set your favorite picture, you can go here and jump over all photo and you can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this picture. So it's saying to live photo on and let me make here set, and now it's going to give you option to do you like to set on lock screen or set on home screen. In this video purpose, I would like to set this picture in my home screen. So I'm going to click here set on home screen, and now it's going to be saved in my home screen. You can see it's now appear new picture. So within this way, you can easily change wallpaper in your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.